back to Mumford Restoration. We're taking a look at some of the pieces that have come into the shop that are at the beginning of the process. This is a table that has a very large structural crack and some warping that's going on that's going to be repaired. We're going to have to put some scabs underneath to support, try to draw it together and glue up the seam. You can see also that the top is unstable on the base, which is part of the problem. But there's a serious amount of inlay and marquetry work in this table that needs to be preserved. So we hope to get some of the warp out and repair. It's a beautiful piece. And watch for the after video. Please visit our site, mumfordrestoration.com, or our YouTube channel to check out things that you could have restored. Thank you.